Okay, let's go into the InDesign document, and we will ask for the text to display only when the cursor is on the button. So let's go into the layers panel, and we will be working on the interactive element layer. So you lock the two other layers and you're working on the interactive elements layer. You will select your button here. And in the buttons and forms panel, you will do some little changes. Window, interactive, buttons and forms. So for now, the buttons, the action comes when you click on the button on release or tap. It means if you click on the button, you will remove that action just by clicking on the minus sign here. Delete selected action, yes. And I want the button to act when we hover on it. So you will ask now for on roll over. On roll over, it will show and hide buttons and forms. So with the button here selected, we just removed the action which was on release or tap with the minus sign here. There's no action on release or tap, and we will put an action on roll over. And the action will be to display the black dock text like that. And the button do not make itself disappear. So leave the cross here. The button will not act on itself. Leave the cross here, no eyeball. Then on roll off, it means when you put the cursors off the button, it will show and hide. On roll off, it will show and hide, and it will make the text disappear. So we'll have that eyeball in front of the name of that button, black dock text. So on roll over, the text will appear, and on roll off, it will disappear. Let's save the InDesign document under another name and test it. File, save as. And export into PDF format, interactive PDF. Still with open in full screen mode, on. Okay, let's try. It works, except I'm not really in full screen mode. What is it? Okay. I will leave the Acrobat Reader software and open once again this. Yes, full screen. Okay, it goes into full screen mode right now. It's okay. So when I click anywhere, it do not go on the next page. That's really nice. And when I hover onto the button, the text comes. And when I hover off, the text goes out. When I click on the button, nothing happens. So that's nice. It means you will be able to put more than one button on the picture, and for each of the button, you will have a text explaining that part of that nasty animal.